Okay, today I'm gonna teach you how to create your own online exhibition space. Okay, the first we go to Google and choose the VIRSODY and type the VIRSODY. Okay, or SODY VIRSODY, and go to the online software. And okay, you have the registration and go to registration. I already have one, so I click login and choose create. And right now I have one. I'll create a new one. Okay, choose the easy mode. Okay, and choose the mode simple easy way. Okay, and he will show up how this works, and use this one, and the space name is okay, teaching. You can name your own name. Okay, and for the link, okay, teaching, and create. And here, teaching. Oh shoot, I chose the wrong name. Edit. No. Okay, that's fine. Next, we'll go to here. This is the main poster for your exhibition. Okay, so click here and upload. I have a folder specific for this teaching mode, so this one, drag this one to here, and they want you to cut this one or enlarge. Okay, okay, cut, crop, and save. So this is the main visual poster, and the name is okay. Okay, how come I always type it wrong? It's the trip to Bologna. Okay, and this is really the first your artwork. Click here, new work, from computer, pictures, and choose the second one. Is the food, hamun. Next step, right? And next step, okay. The name is okay. Bologna. Name Jason, and Jason, and the next one is most importantly, because you have to write down your script, right? Here, click here, write down your script, right, and save. Okay, here, and the next one, new work, from computer, pictures, okay. Next one, choose this one. I go to next, and the next, the same thing. Okay, Bologna Street. How come every time? Jason, and the script for the artwork, save. Okay, right now we can do the quick preview. Okay, go to the up side, the right hand side, up of the right hand side, choose preview, and Okay, and go to enter, and you can see the expression space, right? And you can look around here, and this one, or okay, make a turn. Okay, Q is make a turn, E is go to another way, right? Forward, oh, I want to see this one, and click on this one, and here the script. You're gonna explain how you create this one. Okay, when we finished. Okay, so we can make sure this one is okay, and and the next one is pretty important. Okay, make sure you click the public. Okay, open public and go to the share. You can see the link, right? And go to link, and everyone can see your stuff, right? Go to enter. Okay, no, I don't wanna. And this one, okay, we still can see this one, and click W, and click the Q or E, go to the other way, and click here, and here is the script, right? And you're gonna start explaining your stuff. Okay, easy, right?